If you do this long enough, you are going to run into realtors and situations where people call you. Maybe they've got a house listed, but they called you because they're desperate to sell it. But you'll find realtors that will not present a creative offer. Okay, when you try to present anything other than here's my pre-qual letter, I can buy this house. We're going to go to closing. We'll close in 45 days. They're going to go, oh no, no, my seller doesn't want to see that. And a lot of times you can offer a very viable solution for a seller. What do we do when we run into an agent who will not present our creative offer? Well, we first remind them that their code of ethics requires them to present all offers to the seller. If they refuse to do that, we always make sure that we have an agent on our side who will present a creative offer. So, they can go and they can put a little bit of pressure on that other agent too. If that fails to work, I have no problem at all with going around that agent, going up to that house and knocking on that door and talking to that seller directly and saying, listen, we try to present an offer to your agent. They refuse to show it to you. And we're here to talk to you about it now and see if it'll work for you. Now, of course, a little bit of investigation into that seller situation beforehand is probably time well spent. How much do they owe on the house? How long have they owned it? Is there a situation that may indicate they're in a little bit of a bind? Maybe they're in foreclosure. Maybe they're already in foreclosure and it's already been posted. Maybe they owe what the house is worth. So that might be worth your time to do that. But if you have an agent that will absolutely refuse to present your offer, go talk to the homeowner. I don't have a contract with that agent. I got no problems with doing it. The homeowner may still say no, and that's okay. But if I'm really interested in buying that house, that agent has an obligation to present my offer. And of course, the homeowner can refuse it, and that's okay. But if the agent refuses, I'll go directly to that homeowner and talk to them.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.